I'm going to show you how to safely share or trim a YouTube video to share with your students using a website called SafeShare TV. Once you have a video you would like to share, copy and paste the link into this box. Next, you will want to sign in. I'm already signed in using my Google account. You can do the same. Give it a moment to bring you to the YouTube video. Scroll down. This slider will adjust the start and end time for your video. You can also change the title of the video, or you can add your own description. You will notice the duration of the clip is adjusted. Now click on the green check to save your changes. Then go up to the top and choose Click on My Save Views from the top drop-down menu. Click on your video, then go to the share icon. Now you can safely share this video with your students. You also have a QR code. This is what your students will see when they paste the link into a URL. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you find this tutorial helpful.